Good morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy students and staff. Hi, this is Katie coming to you live from the WHBR studio. Today is Thursday, March 22nd, 2018. The temperature in the Belgium Schaumburg is currently 23 degrees. Later today, we are expecting a high of 49 and a low of 27 with sunny skies. Now please stand and join us in singing our nation's pledge. Our pledge people for today are
Brooke. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
In sports, the Bulls lost to the Denver Nuggets by a score of 135 to 102. In preseason baseball, the Cubs won against the Texas Rangers with a score of 5 to 1. And the Sox lost to the San Diego Padres by a score of 4 to 3. Class meeting today are 2nd grade primary reading club in room 201 at 11:20, 5th grade Fuse club in room 208 at 3 o'clock, and a rocket club in room 116 at 3 o'clock. Today's announcements are: there will be a 4th, 5th, and 6th grade orchestra assembly today at 9:30. Please wait for your class to be called down to the gym. Tonight, there is a 5th and 6th grade band concert at Keller and Eisenhower at 7 o'clock. STEM Fair participants will meet today in room 103 during the eating portion of your lunch. Attention all patrol. Please meet in the library right after announcement for a group picture. Today is Pizza Thursday. Come out down at lunch and buy a slice of pizza for only $2. Now please watch another PBIS video for the month of March.
Start getting ready for recess class.
Hey, Amina, do you want to play together during recess?
Sure, what do you want to play?
I don't know. What do you want to play?
I'm not sure. Okay, guys, we won't be able to go outside if you don't stop talking.
Hey, what do you want to play? I don't know. Let's just talk.
They continue to yell.
Can you guys stop talking and listen to the lunch supervisor?
We want to go outside.
Go. Can you guys go line up?
Hey, so what do you want to talk about?
I don't know. Let's just talk.
Okay.
Let's talk when you're outside.
Okay.
Let's finish celebrating music in a schoolhouse. Tomorrow by country music. Tomorrow wear blue jeans, pale shirts, boots, and cowboy hat. Now a message from Mrs. Ingram and Miss Canoon.
Good morning, wonderful, lovely Hoover staff and students. We have a couple guests with us from Classroom of the Week, so they're going to take it away.
Hi, my name is Amelia, and me and Mira are from Mrs. Benson's class, room 118.
Room 118 has recently completed a biography project where each of us read a book about a person we're interested in and present it in a watercolor poster.
We are also very excited as we were able to be part of a pilot group to use Chromebooks. We have been using them to create want ads for colonial jobs. We are also learning about the 13 original American colonies.
In literacy, our focus has recently been on water and the important role it plays in society.
When it comes to March Madness, we have brackets, but not based on baseball teams. Ours is based on books we have read.
I'm hoping Wonder wins.
I'm hoping The Escape from Mr. Limoncello wins.
That's awesome. Thank
It's
you.
awesome. What a complete report. And I don't know if you can tell how beautiful these posters are on camera, but they are beautiful.
They are. And what a great way to put a spin on March Madness. Great job. A couple
and I love
announcements.
Wonder, by the way. I haven't read the other book. I'll have to.
Yeah. Good recommendation.
So we want to recognize some students from room 202 who took it upon themselves to clean up pollution and mess at recess time. And they are Umama, Aisha, Bella, Jasmine, Maya, and Gadi. So what a great thing. They just took that upon themselves to make Hoover more beautiful than it is.
I love it. Thank you so much again. And then today is your favorite National Goof Off Day.
What?
So that's right. You have heard it from the principals that you are able to goof off at recess today. And then, yeah, that looks like it's it. All right. Stay classy, Hoover.
Thank you, Mrs. Ingram and Miss Canoon. Thursday's thought is, you can never make the same mistake twice. Because the second time you make it, it's no longer a mistake. It's a choice. That's all for today. This week's picture and sign-off are brought to you by the 5th grader class in room 118. Have a 2 days till spring break Thursday.